Financial success is a journey, not a destination. It involves careful planning, discipline, and consistent effort. Here's a roadmap to help you achieve your financial goals. 1. Create a budget. Track your income and expenses. This will give you a clear picture of where your money is going. Set financial goals. Determine what you want to achieve, whether it's buying a house, saving for retirement, or paying off debt. Allocate your income. Prioritize essential expenses like housing, food, and transportation. And don't forget to allocate funds for savings and debt repayment. 2. Manage debt wisely. Pay off high-interest debt. Focus on credit cards and loans with the highest interest rates. Create a debt repayment plan. Break down your debt into manageable chunks and stick to your plan. Avoid accumulating new debt. Be mindful of your spending habits and avoid unnecessary purchases. 3. Build an emergency fund. Save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This fund will cushion you against unexpected financial shocks like job loss or medical emergencies. Choose a high-yield savings account. Maximize your returns while keeping your money easily accessible. Invest for the future. Start early. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Diversify your investments. Spread your money across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate to manage risk. Consider retirement accounts. Utilize retirement savings plans like 401ks and IRAs to benefit from tax advantages. Live below your means. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Resist the urge to increase your spending as your income grows. Find ways to save. Look for opportunities to cut costs in areas like dining out, entertainment, and subscriptions. Practice delayed gratification. Patience and discipline are key to long-term financial success. Seek professional advice. Consult a financial advisor. A qualified advisor can provide personalized guidance and help you create a comprehensive financial plan. Educate yourself. Learn about personal finance concepts to make informed decisions. Review your plan regularly. As your circumstances change, revisit your financial goals and adjust your strategy accordingly. Remember, financial success is a marathon, not a sprint. By following these steps and staying committed to your goals, you can build a strong financial foundation for yourself and your future.